Hey everyone, welcome to this super quick Azure update. It's the 27th of December, almost no updates because everyone's been relaxing. Speaking of which, if you do celebrate, hope you had a fantastic Christmas and happy holidays to everyone. So the chapters, not that there are many updates this week. New videos this week. I did create a video looking at the urgent Azure CDN from Edgio, so the content delivery network is provided by another company. They went bankrupt. So if you're using it, you need to get off of it urgently. So I walked through how to check if you're leveraging it and then what to do. And then also a little video on how you can use the GitHub Copilot free. You're not a developer, you don't have a GitHub account. I just walk through step by step just how really easy it is. So you could actually go and try it out. So really just what's new. So New Zealand North, the new region, now has HDInsight available. And then this one is pretty interesting. So imagine a scenario that I have an Azure resource that trusts my Entra tenant. And I can have a managed identity, a user assigned, so it could be used by different resources that's just inherent, therefore, to the resource. I don't have to store a certificate or a secret. But now imagine the process in that Azure resource wants to go and consume a resource that trusts a different Entra tenant. Well, in the past, we would have to then use a secret or a certificate. Now what we can do is we can leverage this federated identity. So just like previously, we can use a federated identity with things like a GitHub or something else. Now I can leverage it as part of a managed identity from my tenant and use it as a federated identity with an application in another tenant. So all I really have to do is for the app registration in that other tenant, I would go to its certificates and secrets and its federated credentials. And then I just set the scenario to other. I specify the URL of my tenant where my managed identity lives. The object ID would be my managed identity. And then I'm good to go. The Microsoft blog has an example code flow of getting my managed identity and then getting that client assertion to be able to leverage it. And it just really avoids having to have those secrets or certificates when I need to go and consume a resource that's trusting a different Entra tenant. And that was it. Told you it was super sweet and quick. Until the next video, take care.